How to log out Facebook account from all devices. Open your Facebook app and go to Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Click on Account Center, then Passport and Security. Then click where you are logged in and choose which account you want to log out from the old devices. Select all the devices you want to log out, then click on Log Out. Then enter your OTP and click on Continue. Now you have been logged out from all the old devices. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment and like this video.